there, my dear viewers. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have something really exciting for you. We're going to explore some beautifully decorated nail designs that you can easily do at home. I believe that not everyone has the time, means, or money to visit a salon frequently. But that doesn't mean your nails can't look fabulous. Trust me, with these designs, you'll feel like you just walked out of a salon from the comfort of your own home. If you're like me, you love taking care of your nails. I think it's such a fun way to express yourself. From simple designs to more intricate ones. There's so much you can do with just a bit of creativity. And the best part, these designs are super easy. You don't need any special tools, just a little patience and imagination. You'll be amazed at what you can create. So make sure to stick around because I've prepared a wonderful variety for you. There's something for everyone. Whether you prefer a minimalist style or something bolder and more colorful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I have plenty more tips, tutorials, and ideas to share. Also, I'm super excited to know which design is your favorite. Be sure to share your thoughts with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Who knows? Your choice might inspire my next video. Each design is unique, and I'm confident you'll find one that perfectly matches your style. Alright, let's not wait any longer. Let's dive right in. Grab your nail polish, maybe pour yourself a cup of tea, and let's get creative together. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be thrilled with how your nails look.